don't see this type of facility in every high school or every campus. We see this type of project sometimes at the next level. You're talking about a total of about 7,000 square feet in totality. The facility is made up of team rooms, locker room spaces like this, concessions, community restrooms, press box. We have a double bend, round track here. It's not just oval. And so it has a couple of different radius points that make it wide enough for a soccer field. One of the biggest decisions the district made, though, was to go with a synthetic turf. This allowed the district to pretty much any time of the year, maybe with the exception of winter, use this field. It had a lot to do with that master plan and pulling all the pieces together and talking about it having a tunnel and how important that would be for the team to come through and people to visit. This project had several bidders, where you're actually making sure that all bidders understand the drawings that they saw. And that's how we found Pearson. Pearson was involved with all of the demo work here, which was an instrumental part of this. We were starting with a new slate, so everything had to leave before we could start anew. We've worked, I think it probably goes back 15 years now, and always have had a wonderful experience with them because of synergy. I think the saying that we always hear in our industry that designers and builders lock horns, we just don't see that in working with them. You know, their sense of understanding, always willing to try to work things out. So we've had a wonderful experience with them in the past. They were fortunate to use this for 2 games. I was here for one of those nights. It was a terrible night. It was rainy, but the vibe here for the district and the community was wonderful. It's communication, you know, and having a regular standing progress meeting and making sure that you're involving your owner when you need to, involving the subcontractors when you need to. Pearson does a great job of that, making sure that not only the meeting itself, but the communication and the documentation gets out to everyone on a timely basis to make sure that good decisions can be made. I've always had a smaller business, and I always made a promise that the owner, myself, would be involved in the whole project. And I see that with Pearson. You know, it's a family business, a multi-generational business. There's been many times that I've asked for Mr. Pearson to be at a particular meeting to help us work through something. He's there. And I think that owners working with owners has been a philosophy that we've practiced for a good number of years. And I think that you do receive a superior product when owners are involved. And that's how I view Pearson. They've been helpful to us on all kinds of different levels. Like I teach at a community college, and they give up their time. I come in and bring my class, and they talk to these young people about their interest, you know, in the construction industry. So it's a special group of people.